Hey guys, my CB650C is still running very badly. I mean, in high RPM it's running fine, but at low RPM I hear the clicking, ticking, whatever noise, and it's really annoys me, and I don't like it. So I've decided to tune the engine as much as possible in order to improve the clicking noise a little bit, because I've read a lot of forums and people say that these Hondas make this kind of noise, and the first precaution and first thing to do is to tune the engine. So this is what I'm going to do right now. I've set the valve clearance already. I've checked the ignition timing with light, and now I will clean the air filter, and now I will be cleaning the carbs. So this video is going to be about carb disassembly and cleaning, and we'll see what the result will be after I do that. I have an evening off on my own, so I've decided to do that job. So let's take a look at the carbs. So the carbs are here on the table. I've already did some minor disassembly here. I've removed the intake holder here, which is on the side of intake to the cylinders, and I've unhooked the choke spring, which is here, and which is hooked here to this, which is necessary for separation. And I have also removed the holders here and here, and I have loosened, and I will remove the screws here, which are meant to hold the throttle arm. And now I'm going to disassemble carbs number 3 and number 4. I left the bowls in because I'm moving the carbs in various ways, and I don't want to damage something inside. When I separate the carbs, I will check the cutoff valves. I will disassemble the accelerator pump, and I will obviously check the bowls. So let's make it as a time lapse. So this was a time lapse of carburetor disassembly, and as you may noticed, some bloody idiot, previous owner or someone else, has removed the air cutoff valves, which are these, the thing I disassembled last. So none has the air cutoff valve. Second, it was me, the bloody idiot. The rubber seal wasn't sealing properly, and I used silicone here, and it was too bad. So my experience for the future: never use silicone for carbs. Also, let me check the fuel needles. They seem a bit worn as well, because I can see a ring there. So I will probably, well, I will have to definitely buy a rebuild kit for the carbs, so that I can put the air cutoff valve here and reseal the carburetors. So it will take a couple of weeks till I find them and buy them, and they will send them to me. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I will definitely tear down the engine in future and rebuild it as well.